there! Get ready! Today, we're joining Dino on his space adventure.
Cheerful space music plays. Dino stands in his colorful lab looking through a telescope. Dino. Hello, little explorers. I'm Professor Dino, and today I'm pointing my telescope at the stars. Have you ever wondered what Mars really looks like? Buckle up, because we're going on an adventure to space. Text on screen. Dino and the Space Adventure, Episode 1, Trip to Mars. Dino looks through the telescope. A red light begins to glow. The telescope starts shaking. Dino, huh? What's happening? The telescope is glowing red. Wait a minute. This isn't a normal telescope. It's a space portal. The light pulls Dino in. Whoosh! Sound effect, and everything turns red. Dino lands in a dusty red desert wearing a cute astronaut suit. Red dust floats around. Dino. Whoa! Where am I? Everything's red and dusty. Oh, this must be Mars, the red planet. But why is Mars red? That's because its ground is full of iron oxide, kind of like rust. He picks up a rock and shows it to the camera. Dino. See this rock? It's rusty. That's why Mars looks red even from Earth. Wind sounds begin. A small dust storm swirls around Dino. Dino. Uh-oh. Looks like a storm is coming. Mars has the biggest dust storms in the whole solar system. Some of them can last for weeks. He plants a small flag. The storm blows it away. Dino laughs. Guess I'll need a stronger flag next time. A tiny robot with blinking lights rolls toward Dino. Its name appears on screen. MARS, Mini Astro Research System. Robot. Welcome to Mars, Professor Dino. Do you need information about the planet? Dino. Wow, you can talk? That's awesome. Tell me, have you found water here? Robot. Yes. We found ice at the poles, but no liquid water yet. Maybe there was water a long time ago. Dino turns to camera. Did you hear that, explorers? That means Mars might have had life in the past. A glowing portal reappears in the sky. Dino waves goodbye to the robot. Dino, it's time to head back home. But before I go, what would you explore if you visited Mars? Dino jumps into the portal. Flash of light. He lands back in his lab. Music softens. Dino stands happily beside his telescope. Dino, let's remember what we learned today. First, Mars is red because it's covered in iron oxide. 2. The planet has giant dust storms. 3. There's ice at the poles, maybe signs of ancient water. You did great, young scientists. See you next time on Dino and the Space Adventure. On-screen text. Next episode, Venus, the hottest planet. Outro music plays. Today we learned that Mars is red because of iron oxide.
Hey there, friends! It's me, Dino! Did you like our experiment today? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. And hey, don't miss our next super fun science adventure. See you soon. Bye-bye.